It's here! The FedEx driver barely just left my driveway. I'm sorry for the messy background today. I'm just kind of in a rush, in a hurry to finally open these dinos. This is the first time I'm buying a new series from the official website. Usually I buy open box from Korea because it's much cheaper, but then that also means that I won't get the secrets and the Robby for sure because it's open box. So I'm kind of just hoping and praying and low-key expecting to get a Robby or a secret today. I know that for the 6 Sonny series, usually they have like 12 or whatever in a series, but when there's 6, it's actually lower odds of getting a Robby or a secret because the odds are still 1 out of 144. But now instead of having 12 in a series, you only have 6. So here it is, here's the box. Guys, I didn't even get changed for this video. This is the fit I woke up in. So anyway, let's get started. My friend told me, who's kind of like a Sonny Angel expert, he buys so many boxes. One thing he taught me is that the secret or the Robby is always in this spot. So when you open the box like this, it's always here at the bottom left. So let's open it first. Actually, let's open it last. I don't want to decide my fate at the beginning of the haul. Guys, to be honest, I don't even think the dinosaurs are that cute, but maybe opening these will change my mind. I don't know what to say. Let's keep going. I'm opening these as fast as I can to get to the Robby that I'm manifesting. I don't even know the names of these guys. Guys, this is the fastest unboxing ever. You're welcome. I'm not wasting nobody's time today. I'm getting nervous. Where's the pink dinosaur? Why don't I have the pink dinosaur yet? Is this the pink dinosaur? Is this the secret? Oh, it's my least favorite. Orange. Alright, this is the last box, you guys. I'm gonna find out today if God is testing me or not. To be honest, I saw so many of your unboxings and I saw so many people pulling Robby, so my confidence isn't the best. God is testing me, y'all. God is giving me his hardest battles because I don't know, I think he's just like blessed me too much in his life and he just can't bless me in Sonny Angels. That's just what I believe. Okay, so these are the dinos up close. Oh my god, is that a flaw in his face? He has a dot on his face. I heard there's a lot of like flaws in the recent releases. And I'm not surprised because they're just like dropping so many sunnies lately. Is that a dot? It's not that bad. This guy has like 2016 thick eyeliner. Like, he's in his baddie era. Anyways, what do you guys think of this series? I'm not sure if I'm really a fan, but I do like the fact that they're wearing overalls. I think that's kind of cute. Kind of like dinos in pajamas type of thing. But I'm not sure if I want to keep them yet or if I'm just going to sell them. Anyway, that's my fast unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. And now I don't know what I'm gonna do with the set because I only wanted it for the Robby. If you guys get the Dino Robby and the Dino Secret, I want him. Let me know if there's anything that you want to trade for it. I have Gifts of Love Robby up for trade. If anyone is interested, I'm looking for Dino Robby. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!